What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors, pearls, flakes, even candy sometimes. We shoot them over top to create cool new interesting colors that you guys get to rate. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And what pearl do we have today to spray over these two cool Rustoleum colors? Galactic Ghost Red Pearl. We did Galactic Ghost Blue on a past episode, and you guys seem to love it, so we're going to replicate the same thing today, except Ghost Red. And we got Gloss Black, Thundercloud Gray ready to go, the two-tone on this fender behind me, and some Finish One clear coat to finish it off. So we're going to get into today's episode, and let's see what this Galactic Ghost Red can do. Guys, so we got our two Rustoleum colors laid down behind me, and I'm going to be using this Finish One clear coat system today. 4 parts clear, 1 part medium hardener, and 5 ounces total in the mix. I got Galactic Ghost Red, guys, and it's kind of like the Galactic Ghost Blue. One of the subscribers actually noticed something, and said something in one of the comments. The pigment size on this, but compared to some of the other ones, it's a little bit bigger, guys, so kind of take note of that. This is closer-ish to Microflake. It's not quite there, but it is a little bit thicker pearl, and I mean, Galactic Ghost Red, it's going to have a nice, really cool glimmer to it. So as far as the mix goes today, I'm going to try to get about, about half a teaspoon into the mix, and let's dump it in here. And I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so here's Galactic Ghost Red. I know it's not much to see on the McCormick spoon, but when I put it in the mix and I show you, you can see a little bit of red variation right there. It's a white particle based pearl, so when I get to stirring, at certain angles where the light hits it, you should be able to see shimmers of red. And I think this is going to look really cool. Now, just a little word of caution. Sometimes when you shoot this type stuff, even though it says red over black, it will kind of purple a little bit. But over the Thundercloud Gray, it should be a great little red effect. But we really don't know till we get it on the panel nonetheless. So let's load up the VEVOR gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got my Galactic Ghost Red by Eye Candy in the mix, 1.4 tip, 28 psi water per trigger. That's my settings for my paint gun if you decide you want to replicate it and do everything like I do it. But I'm going to do a light coat first, make sure I don't have any reactions, followed up by 2 or 3 extra coats till we get the desired effect. We'll take it outside in the sun and I'll show you guys the final product. Let me put my mask on, let's get to spraying. Alright guys, I bet you didn't see this one coming. Galactic Ghost Red. Look at that crazy color. And over the lighter colors, well, it did its own thing as well. It's a very interesting combination, but ultimately it ain't up to me. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so this is a spray out for today. Galactic Ghost Red Pearl by Eye Candy Pigments over top of a gloss black base and a thundercloud gray base. Now, I know what you're thinking, where's the red, right? Well, a lot of times when you put red pearls over top of a darker base or even sometimes lighter bases, depending on what goes into making that red pearl, you get a lot of pinks and purples kind of shine through, and a lot of times over gloss black you get more of a black cherry effect. It just depends on what the pigment has in it. But nonetheless, it's a really cool spray out today, guys, and I want you to rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and you guys can rate it anywhere in between. If you decide you want to spray with any of the pearls you've seen in past episodes, or this Galactic Ghost Red Pearl that we sprayed out today, the links are always in the description. I'm an affiliate with Eye Candy Pigments, so I can get you guys a small discount. Just use code WAW shop while shop or WAW candy while candy at checkout, and yeah, goes to help out the channel. Don't cost you guys anything extra, and you get a small discount. Also, if you decide to use the paint gun, the clear coat, anything else you saw today, links for that are in the description as well. As seen on YouTube takes you to my Amazon store where you can purchase everything there. We get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. Well, if you made it this far in the video today, I really do hope you'll hit that subscribe button so I can continue to do crazy cool spray outs just like this. And leave me a like and comment, guys. What crazy colors would you like to see next that we haven't already done? Well, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.